Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mascara that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Maybelline mascara is the perfect addition to any eye makeup look. The exclusive fanning mascara brush with 10 layers of bristles can add volume and length without clumping, revealing layers of lashes for a sensational full fan effect. This mascara is ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers. Maybelline offers a broad array of eyeliners, eyeshadows, and eyebrow makeup to help create looks that draw eyes. Use Garnier Micellar Water as a gentle makeup remover at night and as a facial cleanser in the morning to prep skin for Maybelline makeup. Moving on, at number 4 we have the HEROINE Make Volume Up Mascara WP01 Black. Get ready to have the most voluminous and curled lashes with HEROINE Make Mascara. This mascara is designed to lengthen and separate your lashes with its super lengthening fiber technology. Its all-day curl hold feature keeps your lashes curled upward for the entire day. You won't have to worry about smudging or flaking as it is ultra-strong waterproof, resistant to tears, sweat, water, oils, and abrasions. This mascara contains 6 natural eyelash serum ingredients, including camellia oil, royal jelly extract, argan oil, wild rose oil, Panax ginseng root extract, and almond oil that protect your lashes from damage. With HEROINE Make Mascara, you can achieve a dramatic and long-lasting lash look that is sure to turn heads. At number 3, we have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Washable Mascara Makeup is a volumizing mascara infused with bamboo extract and fibers to provide long, full, and lightweight lashes that don't flake or smudge. It features a Flex Tower mascara brush that bends to volumize and extend every single lash from root to tip. This mascara is ophthalmologist and allergy tested and suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Maybelline also offers other makeup products to complete your look. At number 2, we have the Benefit Theyre Real Beyond Black Mascara. The Benefit. Theyre Real Mascara is designed to give your lashes a dramatic boost. It helps make your lashes look much fuller and longer, giving your eyes a bold, standout look. The formula is made to resist smudging or transferring, so you can wear it all day without worrying about messes. Plus, the specially shaped brush is crafted to reach every lash, making sure none are left behind. This mascara is perfect if you want thicker, more noticeable lashes that stay put and look great from morning till night. And finally, at number 1, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Introducing Too Faced Mascara, the ultimate solution for voluptuous volume, length, and curl. Featuring an hourglass-shaped brush, this mascara thickens, lengthens, and curls your lashes after just one coat. The film-forming polymer locks curl into place, ensuring your lashes stay voluminous all day long. The mascara also contains acacia Senegal tree extract, which sets volume, making your lashes look fuller and thicker. With Too Faced Mascara, you can achieve a dramatic and intense look that will make your eyes pop. Say goodbye to clumpy and flaky mascaras and hello to the perfect lashes you've always wanted. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.